Dear children, today let's learn the division of fractions. The very first thing you have to remember while dividing the fractions is about this reciprocal. To divide a number by any fraction, we have to multiply the number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Now what is this reciprocal? See here children, I have given an example here. 5 by 4 is a fraction. 5 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Now I have written its inverse form, that is 4 by 5. The denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator. So I can say 4 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 4. It's very easy and very simple. See this example. 7 by 5. The reciprocal of 7 by 5 is 5 by 7. The reciprocal of 6. Now children, there is no denominator here. I told you in the multiplication, when there is no denominator, we should consider it to be 1. So it's 6 by 1 and its reciprocal will be 1 by 6. Is this clear? Children, let's study this example of your textbook to know the concept of reciprocal. Now you have one whole chapati, okay, and you have to divide it into half. So how many halves do you get? 2. Very good. You will get 2 halves. So practically you already know the answer. Now when we solve it, let's put the equation 1 divided by half. Correct? Okay, the answer is given here 2. How do we get this 2 now? See here it is solved. 1 into 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. So your answer will be 1 2s are 2. See, you also had told me answer 2, and when we solved also we got 2. But you need to change the reciprocal, and this division should be changed to multiplication. It's the inverse form. Look at this example also. There are 3 holes here, means holes divided into 1/4 part. So this is how you write 3 divided by 1 by 4. How many 1/4s have you got here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 we have got. So already you know the answer here. Let's see how to solve this. 3 divided by 1/4. See here 3, this division is written as into, 1 by 4 is written as 4 by 1. That is the reciprocal. So 3 4s are 12. So when we counted also practically we got 12, and when you solved also you got 12. Is it clear children? Let's now solve few examples on division of fractions. A whole number is divided by a fraction. The number which we divide is called, this is the dividend, this is called as the divisor, and the answer which we get is called as the quotient. Hope you remember these terms of division. Okay, now let's divide a whole number by a fraction. 8. Now write its inverse form. Division becomes multiplication. The reciprocal of 3 by 7, you write it as 7 by 3. Then children, as you have multiplied the fractions, same method, same steps follow here. 8 7s 56 upon 3. Since it's an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. One thing you have to remember here, which is very important, is you have to write the reciprocal of the divisor always, not the dividend. Now next sum. 6 divided by 1 and half. 1 integer 1 by 2. 6 divided by, I have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is 6 divided by 3 by 2. Now the next step will be 6. Division will become multiplication. 3 by 2 has to be written as 2 by 3. Very important, don't forget this. Then as usual, as you have multiplied the number, same way you do. 3 1s 3, 3 2s 6. We cannot cancel numerator and numerator. Okay. So here it will be 2 2s are 4. 4 by 1 is your answer, which we can write as 4. The third example, I have taken a fraction divided by a whole number. Now here you have to be very careful. Okay. 3 by 4 divided by 12. There is no denominator, and we should remember to put this denominator. That's very important point. Now 3 by 4 division will change to multiplication. 12 by 1 will be written as 1 by 12. Now cancel children. 3 1s 3, 3 4s 12. You cannot cancel denominator and denominator. Okay. Then 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, which is 1 ones 1, 4 fours are 16. Is this answer clear? Let's divide a fraction by another fraction. 3 by 5 you take, write the inverse reciprocal of this. 1 by 2 will be 2 by 1. Remember to write the sign of multiplication here, do not forget. Then follow the steps of multiplication only. 3 2 6, 5 ones 5. Since it's improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Then the next example, 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. Divide it by 1 by 4. So when you are dividing, don't forget to change the sign into multiplication. Don't forget to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So 1 by 4 will be 4 by 1. Now you have this numerator and this denominator which gets cancelled. So 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4. There is nothing else which will get cancelled here. So write the product. 7 twos 14 by 1. So your quotient is 14. Remember children, when you divide, do not forget to write the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. Do not forget to put 1 if there is no denominator. Okay children, let's have a quick quiz and see how fast you can answer. What's the reciprocal of 5 by 3? Very good, 3 by 5. What's the reciprocal of 7 by 2? Good, 2 by 7. What's the reciprocal of 8? It's 1 by 8.